Hello guys, you are welcome back to Shapla Kitchen. My name is Emem N, and in today's video I'm going to show you everything you need to know about cooking the perfect Nigerian catfish pepper soup. So guys, for this recipe I'll be using catfish, some chopped onions, crushed garlic and ginger, crayfish is already washed and blended, fresh pepper. I'll also add green habanero pepper to infuse flavor, scent leaves. This is pepper soup spice. You can get this from any local market close to you, any African market. Is blended ehuru and other spices for pepper soup. And of course I'll be using salt and bullion cubes. So guys, at the end of this video you'll be able to cook the best perfect Nigerian catfish pepper soup. Party pleasing. Your pepper soup will be on point. You will get A to Z guide on cooking the best Nigerian catfish pepper soup. When making your catfish pepper soup, the first thing you're going to do is to wash your catfish. This is not washed. I'm going to show you how to wash it. So the first thing you're going to do is to add in salt. You're going to be using salt. Scrub it on your catfish. So you use salt to scrub the skin of your catfish. Because of the slime nature, you can see the slime. So why people use hot water to soak their fish before cooking is because they want to cut off this slime on the skin of the fish, but that's not the proper way to remove the slime. So you can see that the salt has already removed almost all the slime. Just put the salt, be generous with the salt and give it a proper scrub and leave it inside water at ambient for a few minutes before you rinse it out, and then your fish is ready for the pepper soup. This is not hot water. This is room temperature water. I can see as I put my hand. It's room temperature water. So guys, look at the fish. I've not even done the final rinsing. You can see how clean it's looking. See, there's no slime on it. Do you see? Do you notice? It's so clean and so fresh. Alright, see. Do you see any slime on it? See. Guys, see, there's no slime on any part of the fish. So the fish is clean. I'll give it a proper rinse and continue. Okay guys, I go in with my onions and crushed ginger and garlic. I didn't add all at a time because I just want to flavor my pepper soup water before adding my fish, and I'm adding a little crayfish. This is just to season the water. After adding my fish, I'm going to add the seasoning all over again, the remaining seasoning, to season the fish properly. So I go in with my catfish. And I add the remaining onions, garlic and ginger, bullion cube, salt, fresh pepper, green habanero pepper. This is my pepper soup spice. This one is native pepper soup spice. They have the native one and the foreign one. I prefer to use the native one. It makes my pepper soup come out very delicious. So I'll go in with some water. So I go in with some extra crayfish. Please wash your scent leaf and cut when you are ready to put it in the pot, because if you cut it and keep, it will change color and it will not look nice when you are presenting your pepper soup. If you watched this video till this very time, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Kindly click on the subscribe button and please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and comment, share my videos. I would like to hear from you. If you are new to the channel, you are welcome. Thank you. Please join the family. Thank you to my returning subscribers. Thank you for the support. I see you all. See you in my next video. Bye bye.